Unforgiving weekend storms brought damage to central Nebraska. Flash flooding, hail, severe wind, and drenching rains have left Custer County and surrounding area residents with the overwhelming task of cleaning up storm debris. On Saturday night, ping-pong ball-sized hail was reported and storm warnings were issued in Thomas, Blaine, and northern Custer counties. Tornado warnings were issued in Anselmo, along with flooding on the west side of town. Victoria Springs State Recreation Area saw great damage due to flash flooding. The campground bridge across Victoria Creek was washed away and could be spotted further down in the creek about a half-mile to the north. A Nebraska Game and Parks Commission camp host reported weekend campers taking shelter in the shower house. According to a National Weather Co-op observer, about 4.6 inches of rain was reported 2 miles southeast of Anselmo. Water overflowing onto streets causing flash flooding prompted authorities to close parts of Highway 2 from 5th Avenue east to outside of Broken Bow. On Sunday evening, more storm warnings were issued with reports of 100-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Ansley and 3.5 inches of rain in just 30 minutes 6 miles south of Berwyn. Storm warnings were issued in Blaine and Loup counties with multiple flash flood warnings in Custer County, causing damage to trees and crops. A warning was also issued for a possible tornado indicated by radar in southern Custer County. Many residents experienced flickering lights and some power outages as well due to wind, lightning, and fallen tree branches. Custer Public Power District General Manager Rick Nelson reported about 10 downed power poles over the weekend. Nelson said crews are still assessing damage and he encourages everyone to report outages. Heavy rains, storm warnings, flash flood warnings, and hail continued on Tuesday afternoon. For KCNI KBBN, this is Emily Barnett.